Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 3 and hopefully the last one. We need to put text a path on something that's a little weird, text or a path. Well, that's really easily done. I've already typed out the 2 hearts. I'm not going to do all the text because you'll get the idea on what to do. But what we can do is we don't want to mess this up, and we've got some of it locked. So what we can do is go to Object, Unlock All. Now we want to Control G and make a group of that, and Control D and make a duplicate, but nudge it over. Don't do anything but that. Then you can move your text here, and we want the text on this curve. So what we can do, and it might be a little bit, let's see this other one, it goes down pretty far. And what we can do is take a 2-point line, and let's just draw a line there. And there's really not a line here, so we'll cut a line there. That's really too far. Let's back up here and let's put the line like right there. That might not work because we've got 2 separate lines there, but we'll see what happens. Then take the virtual segment delete key and just delete everything. Delete everything you do not need. Now, because that line, evidently that's still locked or something. Nope. I'll tell you what, I'm going to get rid of my lines. And I'm going to combine these 2 lines. Or group them together. No, they are grouped. Now I moved it, but I need to move it right back. So I'm going to make them all red for right now. Now I'm going to take my 2 hearts text. They might be a little bit big, so we're going to reduce them just a little bit. And this is a curve. This might give us a problem right here. Let's go to Object, Group, and Ungroup. And let's change that to a hairline. I just double-clicked on my line. Now let's see, since we've got an ungrouped, maybe we can combine them because we want that one curve. Now I'm going to take this, go up to text, convert it, fit text to path, and put it on that path. And we want it off of it. But for right now, I'm just going to put it right on the line because I don't really know where it's going to go on there. Now we can select it all, go up to Object and break text apart, grab our text, and because our nudge hasn't changed, but you see what I was talking about, I should have left it off there, but we still got the same, basically the same arch, so I'm going to just grab the text and just move it off there a little bit. And it's a little bit off, but you could rotate it. And that looks pretty good. But what you could have done is also, well, let's just do that. Back up here and go text to path. Sorry about that. And we're going to just offset it just a little bit. Then we need to go up to Object and break text apart, grab our text and move it over. And if you do that on all the text, that's the way it's going to look. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit.